Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by clearing the ceiling area and turning off power to lights. Make sure fixtures are removed so you can wallpaper fully to the edge. Once done, measure the ceiling length and width, add roughly 10% waste, and unroll your first strip to confirm pattern match. Next, mix the paste exactly to the label. This controls soak time and adhesion. Apply paste to the back of the first strip and let it relax for the recommended time so the paper will hang flat and smooth. You now transfer a straight reference line onto the ceiling. Pick a line perpendicular to incoming light so seams are least visible. Start at the line, lift the pasted strip, and position one edge, then unroll and smooth toward the opposite edge while keeping pattern alignment. Make sure to butt seams tightly rather than overlapping, and use a plastic smoother to push air out from the center to the edges. When the strip is set, trim excess with a sharp blade and metal straight edge for clean edges. You're on the final strip. Work toward vents and fixtures, cutting precisely around boxes and reinstalling trim when dry. Once all strips are hung, roll seams gently to secure edges, then wipe away paste residue with a barely damp sponge and clean water so you don't stain the paper. Allow full drying time per product instructions before painting or reinstalling fixtures. If a bubble or lift appears, don't panic. Lift to the nearest seam. Reapply a thin bead of paste, reposition carefully, and smooth out to eliminate air.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.